Where's your company today with software as a service? And please explain the difference between software as a service, Citrix Terminal Service applications, and where do you think you'll be by August of 2010?
Well, the most important thing, I think, is we certainly recognize and have been talking about software as a service for quite a while now, and the pure evolution of our product line from hosted applications, old ASP, if you will, to the next generation of solutions, including the SaaS environment products that we're offering. We're pretty close right now in terms of where we are with our products. But the most important thing I think everyone needs to understand is the difference between SaaS and ASP. ASP and SaaS are different models. SaaS products are built for the web. They're built for the web, and they embrace the features and benefits you get from the web under usability and manageability. Products, the old ASP applications were your typical client-server, big client-server applications that were just thrown on the web via an HTML interface so that you can access that information. We're building our SaaS solutions from the ground up. We're releasing most of them on October 31st, and then some shortly thereafter, probably in November. And there is no version of those products on an on-premise basis right now. So we are building these products for the SaaS environment. I think when you start talking about the difference between SaaS and Citrix, we use Citrix right now in our global FX application. We won't need to use Citrix anymore when we release our tax application in a SaaS environment. Citrix and Terminal Server are actually competitors, I believe. They both allow you to host applications and access those applications over the web. The big difference is we're gonna host the applications in a SaaS environment. We're also going to release our on-premise products sometime in 2010, probably right now, mid-2010, in our next-gen platform, which is the .NET versions. And we're going to offer the capability for people to access, whether you're using our SaaS application or whether you're using an on-premise application, you'll get the advantages of the integration and the common client database. So in terms of where we are today, we're right at the cusp. We're going to be delivering several products on October 31st in a SaaS environment. Probably not the most ideal time, but you know what? I'll take what I can get from the technology group at this point. And it looks pretty solid that 10/31 is going to be the date that we're delivering these products. And again, it's important that we deliver these products and they meet the needs of our clients. We feel that SaaS is I have to tell you a funny story, because a couple years ago I was sitting in the office of a top 25 firm based out of the upper Midwest. That's as far as I'll go. And I was talking to their IT, their CIO partner, some of the other folks in the leadership group of this firm, and we mentioned our move towards a SaaS environment. And they just looked at us and said, "You got to be kidding me. We're never going to do anything like that. When are you going to have your next generation of products in an on-premise or a client-server version?" I said, "Well, shortly after that." "Well, that's not going to be good enough for us. We want them now." Well, fast forward to about 3 months ago, this same firm came to us and said, "We have a high level of interest in SaaS solutions, and we'd like you to come in and talk to us about them." So the world is changing, ever evolving, faster than you can imagine, and now SaaS is a topic. I can't pick up a industry publication or get on a website where someone is not talking about SaaS solutions. And there's certainly a lot to be excited about. We've talked about anywhere, anytime access to information. We've talked about the mobile workforce. We read a study, and I think this was presented at our user conference, that 75% of the accounting firm staff are going to be mobile in the next 5 to 10 years. So how are you going to be mobile? How are you going to get access to information if the information is in a file folder inside the firm and you're mobile looking to get work done? So SaaS solutions present wonderful opportunities for us and for you, and it's clearly something that we're looking forward to releasing this year, and there's significant benefits for all of the accounting firms.
Thank you, Tom.
Gary, August 2010. By August 2010, we'll have a full suite of SaaS applications.
Put that out on tweet, Doug.
Either that or someone else will be up here next year.